Good morning and good afternoon and welcome back to our channel One Step everybody, where we post tutorial videos. And in today's video I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can fix your Twitter's tweet not loading problem. So in my screen my tweet is loading, it means my Twitter is working. But if you guys are facing this problem, it's gonna show you tweets are not loading, error, and nothing is going to be displayed over here. All right, so for those people who are facing this problem, by the end of this video your problem will be solved. Just don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel One Step for future videos just like this. Let's move on. First step is you want to check your internet connection. So sometimes due to slow internet connection, your Twitter is not working properly, so you need to have a stable internet connection. And to check that, you can just go to YouTube and play a video. If it takes longer time to play a video and like that video is playing a low quality, and if you guys can also go to your Safari or your Google browser and try to open a web page. If your web page opens instantly, then it's okay, but if it takes 1 or 2 minutes or 5 minutes just to load a single web page, then that's basically your slow internet connection. And you can fix that by switching into another internet connection, or you can even use your mobile's data connection to fix that. All right, and even if your internet connection is stable and you're still facing this problem, it could be that Twitter is updating their server. So sometimes Twitter takes a maintenance break, and if you're trying to use Twitter at that time, it's not gonna work. It's gonna say tweets aren't loading. So to check that, you can call your friend and ask your friend to open the Twitter. If the Twitter is also not working, which means like Twitter is on a server or like a maintenance break. All right, and you can also go to other platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and see if people are talking about it. If it is, then of course like Twitter is off. All right, and the other way is to go to your app store over here. And once you go to your app store, what you want to do is on the search button at the bottom of your screen, you want to click on it and you want to search for Twitter. Once you search for Twitter, what you want to do is, if there's an update button right beside your Twitter, just in my case, you can click on it and update your Twitter. It means your Twitter is not up to date. So make sure to update your Twitter and it should fix your problem. If it still doesn't, just delete your Twitter, reinstall it again, and it should probably fix it. So that's how we guys can fix your tweets aren't loading problem in your Twitter. So just don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. Bye bye.